It's a 30-year-old house, and all the finishes needed updated anyhow. So we thought, wouldn't it be neat if we could utilize the space a little better? It was a traditional Pittsburgh house, your formal living room, dining room on one side, family room and breakfast nook on the other, and a very small kitchen. And we wanted a bigger kitchen. I think I was the first person to talk with Casey on the phone, and you could just tell from the very first phone call that he was very interested in the project. The questions he asked me, he wanted to know about our vision for the project, and he brought a whole group of people with him to talk about putting in a beam. I mean, it was a big project. It was a big undertaking.
When we went to Casey's showroom, and Casey and the designer were there, the designer really directed us towards surfaces, cabinetry, flooring, tile, the granites, the level of quality for the project. They were able to really give us some good insight into what kind of surfaces we wanted.
They were just a super nice group of people. They made the project fun. Once you're comfortable with their expertise level, we were able to relax and just enjoy. It was a big project, and it was a lot of fun to work out issues and get creative, and they worked with us in all areas, and they communicated, which is very important, keeping us up to speed. I don't think a day went by that I didn't get a text or some type of input on what was happening, who was coming the next day, everything. The detail is just amazing of how well run they are.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.